Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So on your screen we are looking at the stock price of Imperial Petroleum Inc with the ticker symbol IMPP. As you guys can see, today the stock is down 6.25%, trading at 90 cents a share. The volume today is quite healthy. You have 2.6 million shares which have exchanged hands already, and we are barely an hour and a half into today's trading session. Average volume is about 45 million. Today's range has been anywhere from 88 cents all the way up to 92 cents, and the 52-week range is from 40 cents all the way up to $9.70. So as you guys can see, we are way closer to the lower end of the 52-week range. Now if we go to the 6-month graph, you guys can see that when the Russian special military operations in Ukraine started mid-February, that's when this stock ran all the way up to about $7.50, and I think higher. And then from there it has just been a slow and steady decline, and there's no telling where this is going to end, but it's quite a shocker for the stock because I think markets are trying to look for alternative solutions to the maritime logistics of energy sources, especially petroleum, which is where Imperial Petroleum Inc. actually shines. So we don't know how low this stock is going to go, but after they released their financials from last month, it did not really help, and the stock has just continued in this slow and painful decline. So I am assuming that we haven't had much press, so it's very difficult to have a sense of what's going on exactly with the company. I might be missing a lot of facts here, but with what I have on hand, it's very difficult to get any kind of insight into the operations, the day-to-day operations of the company, to know if they're having any difficulties, to know if they have their ships booked completely for the next maybe 2, 3, 4 months, which would indicate that they have a business already lined up. So without any further clarity or insight into where the stock is heading, I think the markets are very scared, and that's why you see the stock just in complete free fall since it peaked in mid-February. So it's still an interesting stock because global energy markets will always need stuff moved around depending on the local crises and arising needs depending on the specific situation of the geographic region in the world. So this is one stock I think it's always good to keep on your radar, and if things change, this is the kind of stock that could easily run up 100-200% in a single day. Well, that's what I had to share with you guys. Hopefully you don't have too much tied in this stock and you're losing your shirt or your pants, but I think the stock will bounce back to a certain more reasonable level. Thanks for joining me today in reviewing Imperial Petroleum Inc. and the stock price, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye.